Relations between Washington and Beijing.
Peter Bowes reporting. Aid agencies are warning of food shortages in Pakistan after the devastating floods washed away nearly half of the country's crops. Around 1,200 people are known to have been killed, but UNICEF says many more children could die from the rapid spread of diseases such as cholera and malaria. Abdulshakor is president of the Al-Khidmat Foundation in Pakistan, which provides flood relief in the Pakistani province of Balochistan. He joins me now from Lahore. What's the situation in terms of getting aid to those who need it?
Thank you very much, and good morning to all the listeners. We are trying to reach people in Sindh, in Balochistan, and in KP areas where it is not accessible to reach to those kind of people because water has surrounded their villages and it is difficult. Road network is all broken, bridges are no more there, power is completely shut off, and it is difficult for the workers to reach to those points. We do use some boats to reach to those people, but still we are facing difficulty in certain areas.
And then in terms of the risks from waterborne diseases like cholera and malaria, what's the situation in terms of protecting people against those? That
is not a risk, that is now a reality, because people are sleeping outside under the sky, and water which they are drinking is not drinkable, and cholera and dengue and malaria and all those kind of things are skin diseases. We are getting the reports that they are spreading fastly. What we have done is at 124 different locations with health workers, volunteers, we have set up the medical camps, and we are providing them the medicine and treating the children, especially the ladies who are pregnant and they are suffering a lot. That is the group which need a lot of our help. So we are employing as well as taking the volunteers from medical colleges and students to help those kind of people in their areas.
Okay. Abdus, thanks very much for speaking to us. Appreciate you're busy, but Abdulshakor, president of the Al-Khidmat Foundation in Pakistan, thank you.